Thousands of exhibitors across the globe is participating in Gulfood Manufacturing Expo 2024 here at Dubai World Trade Center. As per the reports, there are more than 21 halls and there are hundreds of Indian exhibitors, be it SMEs or be it of large companies, showcasing their innovations for the growing Middle East and North African region.
We are a project-based company, but we have developed 4 brands in our name as Drain Pro, Frost Pro, Xenox and Hot Pro. There are 4 brands. We have showcased our Drain Pro product here and along with the Xenox also. So we have got a good response. It's a nice platform to having good consultants, to having local UAE clients, direct clients for us. Everyone has appreciated our Drain Pro as well as our Xenox. It was a good platform.
Tecnoica, actually the brand coming from Italy, they are making the combi ovens and convection ovens. Actually we have Alrazana. Alrazana is the dealer for the Tecnoica for the Middle East market. This is the brand, it is coming from Italy, and there is a huge market in the Middle East, and we are also one of the distributor for the Middle East.
As you can see on my right, the activities of Vedic Pack Systems, which is now a member of the ASO group, that we try to do something what we call localization, that localization with a global outlook, which means all the activities in India where we are good at, like IT programming and SCADA and structural development of platforms. So we try to do all this locally, but without compromising on the quality. And it's thanks to Machine Maker that we can reach out to newer audiences and share our activity. It's a pleasure to be here, and we look forward to the next Gulfood along with Machine Maker. Thank you.